we have seen about speed and instantaneous speed. Now we are going to see about nothing but an average speed. Average speed. What is the meaning of the average speed? So for example, we can say that the total distance covered by the body in total time taken is called as nothing but an average speed. What is the meaning of this one? We can say that, for example, we are in nothing but a Bhimavaram here at a point A, and we reach it to Hyderabad at a point B. Then the distance between these two is nothing but a, let's assume that maybe 500 kilometers. Now what is the time you have taken to reach this distance? Means you might have taken 10 hours time. Then we can identify that total distance taken by the body is 500 kilometers by total time taken by the body is 10 hours. Now if you cancel this 0 and 0, you can get 50 kilometer per hour. The vehicle which you have traveled is nothing but a gone with a speed of how much? 50 kilometers per hour. What is this meaning? Actually exactly the vehicle always reaches to 50 kilometers per every hour. No, that is wrong. Maybe the vehicle might have taken nothing but a, in 1 hour. Sometimes they might have given a break for the customers, and at that time the vehicle may not travel at all. Sometimes there is lots of traffic, it may go slowly. Sometimes there is no traffic, it may go fastly. So that is the reason why average speed will give you the overall idea how much speed the body has traveled, but it does not give you at a particular instant of the speed. So instantaneous speed gives you at a particular instant what is the speed. Average speed gives you overall view of the body travels. So that is the reason why average speed is equal to nothing but a, what is the formula means? Total distance by total time taken. What is the formula for the average speed? Total distance by total time taken is called as nothing but a average speed. It does not give you the particular instant of the speed. It gives you that overall speed of an object. That's it. It means that meaning is nothing but the body is not going with the same speed. Sometimes it may go with nothing but high speed, sometimes it may go with low speed, but overall speed of the overall time is nothing but a 50 kilometers per hour in this case. Let's see the next point here. Now I am going to discuss about nothing but a uniform speed. Uniform speed. What is the meaning of the uniform speed? Uniform speed means we can simply say that if an object covers equal distances in equal intervals of time, then it is called as nothing but a uniform speed. What is that? If an object covers equal distances in equal intervals of time. What is the meaning of this one? Let's consider actually a journey, then we can identify the meaning of this one. Suppose there is a point again A. From this point, so a person has traveled to another point B. What is the distance he might have traveled is nothing but a 300 kilometers. How much time he might have traveled? That is the point we have to identify. The time traveled by him is nothing but a maybe 5 hours. Now if we identify the distance traveled by the body by the time taken, then you can get nothing but an average speed. So what is the average speed here? 300 kilometer by 5 hours. 5 how many times? In 30, 6 times. 60 kilometer per hour is the average speed. Can we say this is the uniform speed? So let's identify that whether this is a uniform speed or not. So to say that this is a uniform speed or not, 60 kilometers the object is traveling nothing but in 1 hour the object is traveling 60 kilometers. If the object is traveling 60 kilometers in 1 hour, actually 1 hour is equal to how many minutes? 60 minutes. So automatically 60 kilometers travel in how many minutes? 60 minutes. So automatically how much the body must travel for 1 minute? 1 minute. The body travels how much means 1 kilometer. So it means if you cut the time as small as it can be, so the distance traveled by the body must be equal to nothing but the time taken. Suppose here 1 minute it is covering 1 kilometer, 1 hour 60 minutes it is covering 60 kilometers. So in the same case, for if you cut the distance with respect to time, if you are getting equal distances in equal intervals of time, then it is called as nothing but which one? Uniform speed. So this body is moving with a uniform speed. Now let's see non-uniform speed. Non-uniform speed. What is the meaning of the non-uniform speed? If a body covers equal distances in unequal intervals of time, what is non-uniform speed? If a body covers equal distances in unequal intervals of time or unequal distances in equal intervals of time. What is non-uniform speed? If a body covers equal distances in unequal intervals of time or unequal distances in equal intervals of time, it is called as nothing but a non-uniform speed. So generally nothing but in our daily life, we are all going to the market, we are all going to so many places, even on cars or buses, even on bikes. All are moving with nothing but which speed? Non-uniform speed. Because uniform speed is not possible in our daily life to execute. Because if we are going with certain constant speed, some members come across to our bike or car, so we have to apply some brakes. Otherwise nothing but we have to increase our speed in some situations. So that is the reason why non-uniform speed is the speed which we are applying in our daily lives.